My name is Tara, and this song is called Flood Rains. This song is inspired by learning to deal with grief.
My body in the red rocks, didn't need it anymore. Those bones were weighing me down, now they're drying out in the sun. Oh, I've been a ghost for so